Hey, birdie. I got to put a bird. Oh, no, he bit my finger. That took a shit.
On mine now.
It's fine. Try to bite me. Dude, birds are so awesome. I wonder why Mama let us get a bird.
She's afraid of them.
Dude, birds are sweet.
I have it right here, Joanne.
So let us check on my finger again, because I don't pick them up.
Joey wants to hold him.
Hold on, Joe. I'm going to film you. Joey, it's cool, man. Where's it? Shall we take it?
I'm scared of them.
Hey, birdie. Oh. He's eating your hair again.
No, she's not. She's not.
Here, can I see her?
I'm
gonna take it.
Joey, come over.
I'm gonna take it.
Joey,
Joey, get him off.
come on.
You look scared of your hand. Hi, birdie. Don't crawl up me this time. I don't want you crawling up me. Oh, no, it's not. You're scaring him. Change your hand. Like, film me cutting him. I want to cut him. Hi, bird. Hey, bird. Here, get him. Alright. No! Here, I'll take him then. Let me get him. I can see myself in the mirror. Do you want me to get him off? Is he eating me? No.
Yes, it's eating your hair.
That's fine.
I just got a squirrel or something. No, it's eating my skin.
Don't eat my shirt, Birdie.
It's eating your skin.
Oh, that tickles.
It's eating your skin.
I know, I spelled it. Alright. Hang on, I want to see if it's all on my head. It's not. Why? Oh, it's just going further down your back. Alright, here, let me see him. Let me see my camera.